Hello, this is Rajesh and welcome to Softeath Learn. Today we are going to start a new course about Java programming language. This course is divided into two parts, the programming fundamental parts and the object-oriented programming part. In programming fundamental part, we will learn about the basics of programming. For example, we will talk about variables, data types, operators, conditions, loops, and methods. These are the basics of every programming languages. So if you learn this concept in Java, you will able to apply them in other programming languages easily. Whenever we finish the basics and have an idea of what programming is, and you know how to write a basic program, we will move to object-oriented programming. So we will talk about concrete classes, objects, abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, exceptions, abstract classes, interfaces, and file input-output. As you can see, it is a huge course. I will not hold anything back, and I am going to teach you everything I know to help you become a programmer. Now let's see why would you learn the Java programming language. First of all, Java is a high-level, general-purpose, object-oriented programming language, which means it is easy to learn as it is a high-level programming language and it can be used to develop any kind of program. So it is a general-purpose programming language. Java is a object-oriented programming language. This means that object-oriented concepts are found in Java. So these make Java popular and powerful. As I said, Java is popular. You can find a huge community for getting help. As a developer, you will ask yourself a lot of questions. So, because Java is very popular, you can find answer for those questions from the community. Next is Android development. It can be used in Android development, and Android development is a very important thing these days. So, by learning Java, you will get a skill that will enable you to dive on Android development. Finally, Java is a C-based language and Java is close to C++ and C#. It makes easy for programmer to switch to Java or vice versa. So, I hope you are excited as I am. As I said, I will not hold anything back. I will give you everything you need to become a programmer. So, if you decide to take this course, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.